Ministers responsible for gender and women's affairs in the Southern African development country SADC have urged member states that have not yet signed the SADC protocol on gender and development to expedite signing the agreement amending the SADC protocol on gender and development. This was revealed by Mrs Jane Mkhonta, the Director of Gender and Women's Affairs Department under the Deputy Prime Minister's office, in an interview with Swazi TV News.
According to Mrs Jane Mkhonta, Director of Gender at the Gender and Women's Affairs Department under the Deputy Prime Minister's office, ministers responsible for gender in the SADC countries have urged member states to align their national laws to the commitments of the protocol. Ministers also considered and approved the SADC Gender Protocol on monitoring, evaluation and reporting framework. Mrs Jane Mkhonta elaborates.
The senior officials were preparing documents that were discussed by the ministers yesterday. So there were a number of decisions that the ministers took. One of the decisions had to do with the SADC protocol on gender and development. You will recall that Swaziland acceded to the protocol on gender and development in 2012. And there are 9 countries that have acceded to the SADC protocol, except for other countries. So the other countries that didn't accede to the protocol had their reasons. One of the reasons was that their local laws were not aligned to the provisions of the protocol. One of the decisions was that member states that have not acceded to the protocol should do so, and also requested members to align their laws to the SADC protocol. The other decision was in relation to the monitoring and evaluation reporting framework.
Mrs Mkhonta clarified that countries that have not signed had their own reasons for not signing, but were still in a process of doing so. She also mentioned that ministers commended member states that have enacted specific standalone legislations on preventing and combating trafficking in persons. Begi Masego and Smuva Shongwe reporting for Swazi TV News in Mbabane.